What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolf Pack. In this episode, we're going to talk about the global meltdown and how it's going to affect crypto. We also are going to troll people and look at memes because that's what internet culture is about. But right now, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the charts.
You big old sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. 2 really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it.
Bitcoin on the daily chart, we have got a tiny little bounce off the S1 pivot. It is following this descending trend line, but on scary low below average volume. This line is the average volume. This is Friday. I mean, this is really dumpy looking, but the volatility is low. But even though the volatility is low, there are some traders that are continually getting wrecked. Our favorite Korean trader has lost $750,000 in a week. This is the guy that sets a 40x trade over $100,000 and then goes to sleep. Bro, it is time to wake up. Like, maybe start a gaming channel. Maybe trading is not for you guys. Traders always pay investors. That's why I only play the big swings. As you know, my trading position was sold at 65K publicly. I still have a hodl position, but hey, the rumor is he borrowed $300,000 from a streamer friend. First, I need friends like that, and second, do streamers really make that much money?
Oh shoot, thanks for the $100,000, dude. I gave away my whole life savings to you because I love you so much, mommy. Thank you for everything. I can't wait to be your king and run off with you for forever. That's crazy, bro. I mean, enjoy poverty. Babe, we got 100,000.
Guys, that's why this channel is Cryptotainment. Look in the description box. It's right there. Movies, TV shows, they've all gone woke. Sports has gone woke. Really, cryptocurrency is the entertainment of our generation, and I'm happy to bring that to you. Hit the like button. Look, guys, we spent, what, $4.6 trillion on COVID, and we're feeling the effects of that now. We've seen a huge pump in cryptocurrencies and equities. Look at what's going on in the housing market.
There's this one last place. It's closer to your price range at an asking price of $450,000.
Wow, she's a beaut, Wojak.
Guys, there's literally a hole in the roof. This place looks terrible.
Buy the house, son.
This is a good deal, Wojak.
You just gotta put in some work.
It will appreciate in value quickly.
This is the problem with your generation.
There's already 3 other buyers interested.
Fine. Where do I sign? Well, at least the view is nice. And I bet it's appreciated in value already.
People are house rich and portfolio rich because of inflation. The average homeowner is up $60,000 in equity over the last year. That's why the mortgage rates have been cranked up to 5% to discourage refinancing. Also, I don't think we really have felt the effects of the Ukraine war yet. There is going to be food shortages. Everyone has warned about that. In fact, there's already rationing going on in Europe, and it is coming here. So I would suggest stocking up on a little bit of food before this shit turns into supermarket sweep. We have been talking about the Ukrainian war, and so is the entire world and its effects on the global markets, but a lot of people are not talking about what's going on in China and Shanghai. They have a zero COVID policy out there, and a lot of cities are locked down. China is the main exporter in the world, so we have not felt the supply shocks of the Chinese lockdowns yet, and they have been absolutely brutal. All right, guys, look, I want to sell you a dream like BitBoy Crypto and get you to buy 68K, but this is the wolf pack here. And let's recap. The TA on Bitcoin looks like dog shit, right? We have the war in Ukraine, food shortages, energy shortages. We have the Chinese lockdowns. They're a major exporter. We have a boiling hot CPI. We have tightening Fed monetary policy. Look, this shit's about to flush, in my opinion, okay? However, during this whole crisis, Bitcoin is on a global stage with massive institutional adoption. Everybody knows crypto. Everybody sees its use case.
this is worth $50. This is worth $5. This is the exact same piece of fucking plastic.
So when this market comes rushing back, once we go through this slump, crypto is going to pump to the moon like we have never seen before. So don't turn your back. Don't tune out. Elon Musk's Tesla purchased 42,000 Bitcoin, and now the world's richest man wants to do some more good by purchasing woke Twitter at $54 a share, maybe taking it private and opening it up for free speech. This has the snowflakes absolutely losing their mind.
It's terrible. I can't even. I have literally lost my ability to even.
No one misgendered you, did they?
No, it's even worse. Elon.
There appears to be a giant social shift going on, and I think crypto plays into that. People are becoming red pill and aware. The corporate media is losing the narrative and is losing the information war, and they are absolutely panicking.
He could have undermined the messaging so much that he can actually control exactly what people think, and that is our job.
Yeah, if you
control exactly what people think, and that is our job.
Yeah, if you.
The board at Twitter has rejected the offer, and even if Elon Musk is not going to be able to acquire Twitter, it is too late for the mainstream media. People are awake now. It might take some more time, but they are done. Tornado Cash now blocks OFAC sanctioned crypto wallet addresses. The news comes a day after the Treasury Department added an Ethereum address tied to last month's Ronin hack to the sanctions list. Now, this is a UI level block, okay? So the actual Tornado Cash contract is decentralized. It works flawlessly and beautiful. It's just the UI level sanction list, okay? So maybe Richard Hart will have to be able to make his own UI for Tornado Cash to wash his billions of dollars that he raised from Pulse Chain. Hex on the daily chart has seen a little bit of a pump.
You got one house right here, 2 houses right here, 3 houses right here, 4 houses right here, 5 houses right here, maybe 2 houses right there. You feel me?
Hey, does anybody else think that Richard Hart is basically like the Tekashi 69 of the crypto world? Look, Hex is above the 21 exponential moving average right here. It is holding above it and closing this daily chart above it. It did have a little bit of a pullback, rejected, holding this right here. It appears that one of the sharks, one of the whales that was selling low is rebuying higher. This does look okay. I'd like to see it pop up above this primary pivot right here, which just so happens to intersect this descending trend line of the descending triangle. Which, isn't it funny how this stuff lines up? It's not just astrology for men. Like, TA really does work. Look, it even found support on the bottom of the descending triangle before it popped up. That's not a coincidence, okay? Yeah, if we can get above this descending triangle, maybe we could be a little bit bullish, but man, every single pump that has happened has been slammed down to new lows. But it looks like it is consolidating and tightening right here, and I think that it's a tightening to the downside. But if the Pulse Chain hype is finally here and Hex is going to rocket up to new highs, I guess we're all going to be down in Ecuador with Frosty with girls that are not prostitutes.
Y'all are freaking Hexicans in the community are freaking onboarding an entire freaking country, and they want to slam me because these girls are prostitutes and I'm dangling tuna and chicken in front of them so they can work?
Hello, hi.
You like Hex?
Yeah. Okay, Hex. I like
Hex? Pulse Chain? Pulse Chain?
Okay.
Pulse
Okay.
Hex?
Okay.
Perfecto.
Awesome. Hi.
Hedron on the daily chart. Someone mentioned that Elephant Money is still a better investment than Hedron. I mean, you're probably right. I mean, I got a ton of these for free. No point in selling. I'm a hodler anyway. I think hodlers win in this market. I think traders pay hodlers, you know. Maybe in like the far distant future, in a galaxy far away, Hedron may finally pump. But hey, what happens when you give Hexicans an airdrop? They dump it to shit. So yeah, Elephant Money's was still probably better than Hedron, and it was exploited. Probably just forget about this for right now. We'll take a look at MRI. Man, MRI is just still I don't want to say consolidating, bro. This is dumping. I'm sorry. Look, I like this too. Who doesn't like this shit? Who doesn't like this? All right, everybody likes this project. Let's see. I do kind of see a falling wedge here. Maybe we could come back down. Well, we already broke this support. I mean, look, if it retraces all the way back, I mean, I could see it like, you know, I might be interested in buying MRI if we can float through this, because this is a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Let's take a look at Colt. All right, so Colt didn't I didn't actually pick this up because I was busy the last couple of days. Look at that, it kind of hit our buy zone. This was our buy zone, remember. It did hit here and it did bounce, but look, it did not break out. I still like Colt. I know a lot of people don't like Colt. I still like Colt and I still want to buy, but now I kind of want it to come back down, you know, like I'm not in a huge hurry to get into anything in this market, but I definitely think it might be a cool long-term hodl. Somebody mentioned Kadena in the comments. It looks pretty cool. It's like a proof of work blockchain that is compatible and operates with other blockchains using this, the Peterson graph. God damn. So the guys who invented Kadena, they invented the first blockchain for JP Morgan. We're talking about the elites here. And then what is this, a pentagraph? Is it Illuminati? I don't know. But let's go ahead and take a look at the stats on Kadena. It looks like it's about $1 billion market cap. Volume about 23 million. It's a mid-sized coin. I think it has a lot of potential. It looks really cool. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. This is Kadena USDT on Binance. It looks like it's been dumping. Did it just come out on Binance? What's the deal here? Yeah, it's below the 21 exponential moving average and diving. I would definitely wait. Maybe like buy right around the S2 pivot. You could get a bounce right here at about $4.90. I think I'm going to look more into Kadena when I have some more time. Definitely very interesting. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like, hit the sub, join the wolf pack, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.